Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Today we will continue with the fluid mechanics. Spiritual Beast had asked me this. So question number 21 and 22 is solved. 2014 XE question number 14 I will do it later. Question number 15 is related to the previous problem. So I will do question number 15 now. Okay. So let us see what is the question. A reducing elbow is used to deflect water upward by 30 degrees as shown in the figure. The mass flow rate at the inlet is 14 kg per second. Water is entering at a gauge pressure of 200 kilopascal and exits to the atmosphere. The cross-sectional area is 113 centimeter square at the inlet and 7 centimeter square at the exit. Density of water and acceleration due to gravity are 1000 kg per meter cube and 10 meter per second square respectively. Magnitude of X component of the water force on the elbow is dash Newton. This is the question. Now let us see. Now let us see first what is velocity here, V1. If I say this is section 1, V1 is given by mass flow rate divided by density into area. So mass flow rate is given as 14 divided by density is 1000 into the area is given 113 centimeter square. Convert it into meter square into 10 power minus 4. The answer comes as 1.2389 meter per second. Okay. Similarly, what is V2? V2 is m dot by rho A2. This is A1. This will come as 14 divided by 1000 into 7 into 10 power minus 4. And this comes out to be 20 meters per second. Okay. Next, what about now? Here there are two ways in which the forces act. One is momentum transfer. The second one is pressure. For the force due to momentum transfer, Fm, I can say it is m dot into V1 minus V2, because V1 is this is the force of the fluid on the vein. So what is asked here? The water force on the elbow. Okay. So water force on the elbow is V1 minus V2. Water force by the elbow, force of the elbow on the water is V2 minus V1. So m dot is 14 into 1.2389 2389. I'm sorry here. 2389 minus 20. This when we do, I will get the answer. Sorry, this is not just 20, this is a mistake we are doing. 20 in the x direction. So 20 here in this direction is 20. But here it is 20 cos 30. So we have to add 20 cos 30. And the answer we get is minus 225.14 Newton. Do not miss this cos 30. This is the general mistake we do. Another mistake we can do is instead of 14 kg per second, we think it is meter cube per second. Sometimes there is a possibility that we will not go with m dot and q. We will generally have a confusion. So kindly do not have that confusion here. So Fm is that. Now next one is pressure force. It is not just the velocity which is there. Don't rush into the answer just because you get what you say momentum, you put it here directly. The forces is not just because of the momentum, it is because of the pressure also. The pressure is here. Here the gauge pressure is 200 kilopascal, right? So 200 kilopascal, 200 into 10 power 3 into the area over here. That is important. This area, this is in some other direction. It is not in the x direction. So only in this direction the pressure force is. And the pressure force is 200 in 10 power 3 and 113 into 10 power minus 4. This is the pressure. This is the area. Okay, A1. A2 is not important because the pressure is not in that direction. Correct. So this will come as the answer what I have got is 2260 Newton. Now this is in the positive direction and this is in the negative direction. Okay. So Fm is in the negative direction, Fp is here. Total force is equal to Fp plus Fm, which is equal to Fp is given as 2260 minus Fm, which is 225.14. So the answer what I am getting is 2034 0.86 Newton. This is the answer. The answer is 2034.86. I hope you have understood this, students. If you have any doubts, please put it on the comments. I'll be answering you. Another point, I am sharing the Facebook page of Apex in the description. So if you have any doubts, there is a WhatsApp message which is there. You can directly contact me with that WhatsApp number. Okay. So contact me. I'll be happy to help any student who is interested. Okay. Thank you very much, students. And best of luck for your exams.